Welcome back to the next tutorial, Musisco tutorial. In the previous class, we learned some basic theory about music. In this tutorial, you'll know something more about the theory of music. Welcome. Music letters are represented as symbols. These are the symbols. And these symbols have two parts. One is the head and the tail. The oval shape is head and the perpendicular line is the tail. These two symbols may be written on the line or on the space. Note heads have a perpendicular, and this perpendicular line is either tail or stem. It is named either tail or stem, and this tail may go upward or downward. Similarly, the head may be placed down or it may be on the top. Just a few examples. Look at this. This is the stave lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stave lines. As no treble or bass clef, it is simple as stave lines to represent notes. And there are 3 notes. 1, 2, 3. And here there are 5 the stave line with 2 notes. 1, 2. And here it is stave line with 1, 2, 3 notes. In the first one, let me come from the bottom. In the first one, the notes are placed in, it is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The lines are numbered from bottom to top. So what the grammar of music says, notes which are written on the first 2 lines and first 2 spaces are low notes with low pitch, which means the notes written, the symbol music notes which is written on the first line, first space, second line, second space, or have low pitch. Okay, now we will talk about this symbol which is below the first line. We will talk later in the next class. Now this is a stave line where the notes may be placed either on the line or on the spaces. If the notes are placed on the line in the first 2 lines or first 2 spaces, they have low pitch and they are called low notes. Okay, now coming to the second type. When notes are placed on the third line, they are called middle line notes. Middle line notes. So only the middle line, that is, which is 1, 2, the third line. When the notes are placed on the third line, not on the space, but on the third line, they are called middle line notes. Now coming to the top one. When the notes are placed on the 4th and 5th line, or on the 3rd, 4th spaces, they are named high notes. So there are 3 types of notes. Low notes, when placed on the first 2 lines and first 2 spaces, they are low notes. When the notes are placed on the middle line, they are middle notes. When the notes are placed on 4th, 3rd space, 4th line, 4th space and 5th line, they are high notes. Now coming to the stems. Okay. See, stems are not even. See, here for low notes, the stems go upward. For high notes, the stems go downwards. That's the rule of placing the stem. So for low notes, the stems rises up. For high notes, the stem comes low. And for the middle, it both are accepted. It may come either down or may go up. Both are accepted. That's all for this class. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe. Place your comments in the comment box. If you have any doubt, please do post it. Thank you.